Multi-generational living is very important to us. Our family bought this piece of property in 2021. It actually has a ranch home, an A-frame with a pond on 10 acres. Went to one of our local banks and so started that process. We were working both with the bank and zoning, which is super challenging to try to jump through all those hoops to determine what needed to take place next. They were asking a lot of those questions about not bundling it, but unbundling it. And so with that, there was then the shared well, which also created another just piece of the puzzle. And so when we brought all of this to Rural First, all of that went away.
Rural First offers fixed rate financing all the way out to 30 years, minimum 15% down, and no mortgage insurance. We specialize in country living. We're able to do one loan for one property, so the property doesn't have to be split, unlike other institutions.
A lot of times the local banks don't understand the underlying value of country property. And so I think that when I approached Rural First was the most important piece, because they want to know why you need that property. And they want to know about you as a person, you as a family, what we can do in order to make it happen. And from day one, she immediately jumped in, and I no longer felt like there were boundaries.
They bought this property to have their family basically stay closer and do what they love and live that rural lifestyle.
I think a lot of times you think of rural families as just being farm, but many times rural families are beyond farm. It's not just cattle, it's not just corn, it's not just beans, but it's actually being together.